Welcome everyone, I'm Dr. Roberts. Today I'm giving you an introduction to the subject of instructional design and how as teachers you can use this, the systematic process of creating effective learning experiences by combining knowledge of education, psychology and communication to design, develop, and deliver learning materials and strategies. I will briefly review the following. There are many definitions for instructional design and we are going to look at a few popular ones. Definition of instructional design. The first is Dick and Carey, 1989. A process for developing instructional materials across various mediums. Another definition is Smith and Reagan, 1993. A systematic approach to applying learning principles to instructional plans. The third definition is from the organization AECT, 1994. A structured procedure including analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. The last definition we will look at is the Shambaugh and Magliaro, 1997. A structured intellectual process for analyzing learner needs and creating educational responses. Purpose and benefits of instructional design. Instructional design from a teacher's perspective can enhances learning efficiency and effectiveness, solves instructional and performance-related problems, ensures structured, goal-oriented learning experiences, applied in both education and business to improve learning and productivity. So when we talk about the key components of instructional design, there are three main aspects to consider as you begin planning your instruction for your subject lessons. First, we have performance, which is all about the achievement of results, distinct from mere behavior. So when you create your instruction, you are purposely focusing on the performance of your learners. Next up is efficiency. This is essentially the ratio of resources used to the output achieved. Or in simpler terms, are we doing things right? And finally, we have effectiveness. This is the match between the achieved results and the desired goals. When you create your learning experiences as the teacher, you specifically have to check that you have achieved acceptable results that are aligned to the overall goals of the lesson. It's like asking, are we doing the right things? Now we look at how we can use instructional design models to help us design instruction. These models are some of the most popular models in the instructional design field. First, let's look at the ADDIE model, which is widely used and consists of 5 phases. Analyze, identifying needs and gaps in knowledge, design, creating structured instructional plans, develop, producing course materials, implement, delivering instruction, evaluate, assessing effectiveness. Next we have the Morrison, Ross and Kemp model, which is a more flexible and non-linear approach. This model focuses on iterative development and emphasizes continuous assessment and redesign based on learner needs. To begin any instructional design project, you as the teacher should always conduct a needs analysis. When doing a needs analysis in instructional design, there are several types of needs to consider. Normative needs, comparing performance against national or industry standards. Comparative needs, comparing a group's performance with a peer group. Felt needs. These are the learner's expressed desires to improve performance. Expressed needs actions taken by learners to address gaps, for example, enrolling in courses. Anticipated needs. Predicting future learning needs based on trends. Critical incident needs. Preparing for rare but significant failures, such as disaster response training. Challenges and criticisms of instructional design. One major challenge is that it can be time-consuming. Planning and implementation require significant effort. Another issue is classroom realities, as models may not fully address unpredictable teaching challenges. Finally, there are flexibility issues. Teachers may find instructional design models restrictive compared to adaptive planning. Practical application for teachers. Instructional design encourages systematic lesson planning and alignment with learning outcomes. It supports decision-making regarding assessment and technology use. Moreover, it enhances teaching effectiveness by structuring learning experiences. I hope I have explained what is instructional design, why we use it in education, and how we can use it to develop systematic instruction from a Caribbean teacher perspective. Don't forget to like and share this video. See you in the next one.